Hirap ka pa rin ba sa pagbuo ng iyong sariling pangungusap? Or alam mo na ang iyong ginagawa, but you're still in doubt kung tama ba ang structure ng iyong mga pangungusap? If that's your problem, siguro matutulungan ka ng vlog na ito. Hey there, soulmate! This is Joel P, Teacher J at your service. In the English grammar, meron tayong tinatawag na types of sentence structure. Okay, so therefore, actually, the simple sentence, compound sentence, compound complex sentence, and the complex sentence. So in this vlog, we are going to focus on the simple sentence. I want to inform you about the simplest structure in the English grammar. The simplest structure in the English grammar is the SLVC structure. Subject, linking verb, and complement. So alam naman natin kung ano ang subject. Ito yung pinag-uusapan, okay, sa pangungusap. Now, what is linking verb? Linking verb is a verb that connects the subject of a sentence to information about that subject. Of course, complement is the information. Okay, sabi nga kanina, the information about the subject. So, yun ang kumukompleto sa ating pangungusap. Okay? So, alamin natin kung ano nga ba yung mga linking verbs na ito. Okay, so let's take the particular ones. Okay, mga kilalang linking verbs. Okay, so ito yung is, was, were, and are. Okay? Now, kung sa pagbuo ng sentence mo or sa pangungusap mo, dito ka nako-confused, madali lang yan. Okay? So kapag sinabi natin is, are, so yung mga yan ginagamit in the present form. Okay? Present form ang mga ito. And then yung were and was, yan yung tinatawag na nasa past form. For example, kumakain kami. So, I would say, we are eating. Our subject is we, our linking verb is are, and then our complement is eating. Ginamit natin ang are because our subject is plural. Okay? So, we, marami, kami. We are eating. Okay, so next, hinihintay kita. Hinihintay kita. Okay, so I would say, I am waiting for you. So, ang subject natin is I. Okay, our linking verb is am. And then our complement is waiting for you. Ginamit natin ng am because we used I. Ayan, so this is another rule. Kapag ginamit natin yung I, automatically we use am. Okay, si JR ay masaya. Yan. I would say, JR is happy. So, our subject is JR, our linking verb is, and our complement is happy. JR is singular, that's why we use the linking verb is. So, that's how we use are, is, and am. Okay, so nasa present form sila. Now, let's use the linking verbs was and were. Okay, so these are the past form. Okay, again, let's use the same sentences para hindi tayo malito. I was waiting for you. So, yung I is our subject, was is our linking verb, past form, and then waiting for you. Kasi nga, okay, hinintay mo siya. Tapos mo na siyang hinintay. I was waiting for you. Okay? In the last one, we were eating. We is our subject, were is our past form linking verb, and then eating is our complement. Okay? Siguro tinatanong siya kung anong ginawa ninyo yesterday or this time. Ano yung ginawa nyo? Tapos na siya. So, sinabi niya, we were eating. Marami pa tayong examples ng linking verbs actually, and then yung has been, okay, the senses, okay, sense of touch, taste, smell, yung senses, kasali din sila sa linking verbs, but yung is, are, were, was, and am, yun yung mga particular linking verbs kasi, okay? So, please be informed also about the other linking verbs so that mas marami tayong naisusulat or nabubuong pangungusap. Kasi sa pagsusulat, kailangan varied din yung ating sinusulat. Hindi siya paulit-ulit. Hindi natin paulit-ulit ginagamit yung mga linking verbs na yan. Ang masasabi ko lang, soulmate, kailangan pag-aralan natin yung pinaka-simpleng paraan talaga. And this one, this structured subject plus linking verb plus your complement, ito yung pinaka-basic. Okay, pinaka-simple. Kung natutuhan natin itong mabuti, kung na-perfect natin ito, for sure, yung compound sentences natin, yung compound complex and even the complex sentence, kaya na natin yan. Kaya na natin gumawa ng sarili nating pangungusap. And kapag nakagawa na tayo ng sarili nating pangungusap, pwede na tayong gumawa ng sarili nating talata or the so-called paragraph in English. Okay? Just always remember that a consistent practice makes everything almost perfect. Once again, this is your teacher Jay at your service.
It's my life.